Give that a second. That's pretty. Okay, here we go. So, good afternoon, firstly. Nice to meet you all. Disappointed with a couple of things. One was that introduction should have come about 3 seconds earlier and I would have had to take that round. But also, for any of you that are hard of hearing, I don't have subtitles to my English accent, so I'm hoping you've got friends and colleagues nearby that can certainly translate what this guy's saying. So, firstly, again, No. I'm a big fan of Kinsley's. I'm a massive fan, but and this is a story that my work colleagues who are helping me on that table, by the way. I have Irish heritage, so grandparents,